Hello, welcome to my channel Epic Educare. It is an educational channel. In this channel, science and mathematics portions are available. So, subscribe and support this channel. Today, we will move to talk about divisible by 8 and divisible by 9. Which numbers are divisible by 8? Which numbers are divisible by 9? How can we identify easily? Okay. Consider divisible by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last three digits of a number is divisible by 8. Consider any number last digit, 3 digit is divisible by 8. The whole number is also divisible by 8. Consider an example. 57832 is there. Last three digits are 832. These three digits are divisible by 8 or not? Consider. 8 1s are 8, 0, 3, 32, 8 4s are 32. So, this number is completely divisible by 8. So, this whole number is also divisible by 8. This time we can easily identify any number is divisible by 8 or not. Understood? Take another. Divisible by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of all digits of a number is a multiple of 9. The sum of these digits of number is multiple of 9. That number is also divisible by 9. Take sum. 6 plus 8 plus 4. 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. 18 is divisible of multiple of 9. So, this whole number is divisible by 9. This type we easily identify any number is divisible by 9 or not.